we've got a couple different topics that are kind of interesting. In this next topic, Chevy seems to be feeling the heat because they are now offering free in-home charger installs, of course, with purchase of their vehicle. So we'll talk about it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it, but basically just getting the best deal on Tesla at the best financing rate. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. And so let us take a look at this. So I follow and I go to slickdeals.net because you know me, I like getting good deals on everything. I try and make sure I do essentially some sort of research before I purchase any sort of thing to see if it's the lowest price or not. And so you can see right here, Slick Deals, which is a forum for all different deals. You can see they posted this earlier today. 2023 Chevy Bolt EV 1LT, $7,500 federal tax credit as long as you qualify as an individual, and in-home charger install. And so that's kind of interesting to me because in-home charger could really be a variety of different prices. It could be as cheap as, I want to say 500 to 800, all the way up to like 2,500, even more, depending on what you actually need to get done or the distance for you actually need to done. But you can see right here, home charging outlet. Okay, outlet, not the unit. Install is on us. They'll cover the level 2 240 volt charging outlet for eligible customers with purchase of a 2020 or lease of a 2023 Chevy Bolt EV. So that is actually pretty nice. I kind of like that idea. I mean, because that probably is one of the hurdles for people buying an electric vehicle. They don't want to mess with any sort of charging install. And so that is a very nice benefit on top of that. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. I don't know if this would change my thought on getting a Bolt at the end of the day, but that could be anywhere from like a $1,000 to $2,000 benefit at the end of the day, which is pretty nice for sure. But we're going to jump into the next topic. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down in the description is the Patreon link, or support the channel, so definitely check it out.